All right, well, these are the kind of problems I like to solve, the mad mathematician. Write and solve equations to find measurements. Find x and segment BC if B is between A and C. And then it says that AC is equal to 4x minus 12. AB is equal to x, and BC is equal to 2x plus 3. Now, as I said before, this kind of problem, I don't have a figure to go on. I've got a verbal explanation. And so I want to kind of sketch this thing out before I begin, sketch out what they're telling me. And my sketch doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be pretty, doesn't have to be to scale. I just got to put it in some kind of order so I can visualize what's going on. So let's try and do that. So we've got a segment, and then we got a point here, A, and we got a point here on the end, C, and somewhere in between here is point B. All right, and then we're told that AC, this part, is equal to 4x minus 12. And then AB is equal to x. And BC is equal to 2x plus 3. All right, well, now I've got a visualization of this thing. I can figure out what I need to do. That means that this distance, 4x minus 12, must be equal to x plus 2x plus 3. Well, let's set this thing up and let's solve this for x, and then we'll solve it for BC. So let's see, we got 4x minus 12 equals x plus 2x plus 3. Okay, well, let's combine like terms on the right side of this equation first. So we got 4x minus 12 equals, well, x plus 2x is going to be 3x plus 3. Now let's start to isolate the variable, and when we do, let's do it like this. Let's subtract 3x from both sides and add 12 to both sides. And let's see, 4x minus 3x is just going to give me x. My negative 12 and my positive 12 are going to cancel. My 3x and my negative 3x are going to cancel. And 3 plus 12 equals 15. And so Shazam, x equals 15. Okay, well, now I'm going to substitute in x in this equation for BC, because that's what I'm asked to find. I found x. Now I want to find BC. So BC then equals 2x plus 3. Let's substitute in 15 for x. So B equals 2 times 15 plus 3. And let's see, 2 times 15 is 30. So B equals 30 plus 3. And double Shazam. Wow. Why am I saying B? BC. BC now equals 33. All right, well, there we go. We've written an equation. There we go. We wrote an equation. We solved for x. We got x right there equals 15. Then we solved for BC by substituting x in for the equation for BC, 2x plus 3. And BC does, in fact, equal 33. You got to persevere. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on. Kind of like the Energizer Bunny. Keeps going and going and going and going.